You can have 1 box of this or 5 hits of this. Robbie not included. I think the 1 buck. Nobody's on there yet. Got me some frog jumpers.
Oh, jeez. Tradition of 89 years, Robbie.
Yep.
Look at this guy with his frog painting.
I'd say frogs have been jumping at least 89.
You there, CJ? Okay, Josh, that sounds cool. There's how many people in here? 6? There's 6 people in here, and one of them's getting paid to watch some TV. Is it you? Just you. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Lee can handle that on his own. All right. Good luck, CJ. Woo, last box of football. We have 4 baseball left. I want to hit those too. It looks shiny. I don't know who it is. It's a gold standard. It better be somebody good. Okay, is it Julio?
Might be Julio.
Julio Jones, rookie. Ooh, nice patch. What's that number? Number to 525 with that patch. That's a nice patch. That's a rookie, right? Yeah, that's his rookie. That's RPA, man. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors.
Nice.
Nice. Very beautiful card. Well, that's cool. That takes care of the Breakers Row. Just keep in mind, guys, you can have 1 of these or 5 of these coming soon for the same price. Let me know. Hey, CJ, if you want baseball, let me know, man. There's 4 left. I'm ready to hit a big one. Oh, good. I'm glad you needed Julio. That works out perfect. That's a nice one, man. That is a nice one.